Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b if we have b to the power of b is equals to 2 to the power of 200 square root, and here we need to solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So here we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first you see here in the left hand side we have b to the power of b, and in the right hand side we have this is 2 to the power of square root of 200, and we write this 200 as 100 is multiplied by 2. And here we use the nice square root law. You know about that. If we have square root of a multiplied by b, then we apply square root separately on both of these two values. Okay, so according to this rule of radicals, we need to apply this square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 2 to the power of square root of 100 multiplied by square root of 2, and we have this is b to the power of b. And here you very well know about that square root of 100 becomes 10, so we write it as 2 to the power of 10 times of square root of 2. So here we first do some working into the exponent of the right hand side, and now here we do some working into the base of the right hand side. You see here the base of this term is our 2, and we write this 2 as square root of 2 and its whole square. Okay, so we can just apply square and square root at the same time on the base term, and we write its whole exponent is 10 times of square root of 2. Okay, so here further we need to use here the nice exponential law here, and you know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. According to this rule of exponents, we need to multiply these two exponents, this exponent 2 and this exponent. So here when we multiply both of these two exponents, it will be written as square root of 2 and its whole exponent is 2 times 10 becomes here 20 times of square root of 2. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is square root of 2 and its whole power is 20 times of square root of 2, and we write this 20 as 5 times of 4 into this is our square root of 2. Okay, so here we again use the above exponential law, and we move this 5 inside the term, and it will be written as square root of 2 and its whole exponent is 5, and its exponent is 4 times of square root of 2. So here in the left hand side we have this is b to the power of b. Okay, so these terms are continuing as it is. So now here we need to focus in the right hand side and the base of this term. So the base of this term is square root of 2 to the power of 5. So here we need to simplify this term, and we will take here this is square root of 2 to the power of 5, and square root of 2 to the power of 5 is means that we multiply square root of 2 with 5 times. So this is square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2. And now here you see that we need to make the pair of these two terms and these two terms as well. So here when we make the pair of these two terms, it will become square root of 2 and its whole square multiplied by, when we make the pair of this term, it will become square root of 2 and its whole square multiplied by square root of 2. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here 2 multiplied by this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 2 multiplied by square root of 2. So this is 2 times 2 becomes 4 times of square root of 2. So it means that the value of square root of 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 4 times square root of 2. Okay. So this is the simplification of this base term. And now here we need to move backward and we substitute this value here, so that we just implies that our above equation. So here we need to copy down above equation. Here it is b to the power of b is equals to, here you see that the base is square root of 2 to the power of 5, and here we substitute this value, and after substituting this value it will be written as 4 times of square root of 2 to the power of 5, and its whole power is 4 times of square root of 2. So here we have 4 times square root of 2. Sorry, this is not 5. So here you see that the base and exponents are same on both of the sides, and now here we need to compare both of the sides, so that when we compare the bases we will get here 4, we will get here b is equals to 4 times of square root of 2, and when you compare the exponents then again you get the same value of b. So this is the only one root of this equation which we get here, and now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of b is a solution of given equation, or is this value of b be the extraneous root. So that for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b to the power of b is equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200. So here we substitute this value of b into the left hand side, and it will be written as 4 times of square root of 2, and its whole exponent is 4 times of square root of 2, and we will check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So here we need to do some working into the left hand side. So here we need to focus on the base of this term as, and here we move backward, and you see that we have a square root of 2 to the power of 5 equals to 4 times of square root of 2. So we use this value here. So we substitute the base of this term is equals to square root of 2 to the power of 5, and its whole power is 4 times of square root of 2, and we will check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So that here we need more simplifications into the left hand side, and here we multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as square root of 2 to the power of 5 times 4 becomes 20 times of square root of 2, and here we will check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So here we need to break this 20 as this is square root of 2 to the power of 20, and we write this 20 as 2 multiplied by 10 and its whole square root of 2, and we check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So further in the next step we move this 2 inside the term, and it will be written as square root of 2 and its whole square, and its whole power is this is 10 times of square root of 2, and we will be check that is this equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. And now you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get this is 2 to the power of, here we have this is 10 times of square root of 2. So we write this 10 as square root of 100 multiplied by square root of 2 is equals to 2 to the power of square root of 200 or not. So here we need to combine the square root of both of these two terms, and it will becomes 2 to the power of 200 equals to 2 to the power of 200. This means that both of the sides are equal. So finally we conclude about that the value of b is equals to 4 times square root of 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So we can conclude that this is the solution set of this question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.